Hello everyone. Today is Monday, July 22nd, 2024. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share 4 stocks with potential gains. The current stock prices of these 4 stocks are at a relatively low level in history. The market may push them up strongly at any time and bring potential gains to long investors. If you are a bullish investor, you can consider these stocks. Next, let's analyze these stocks one by one. Please click the subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you. Stock 1, Nike. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. On June 28th, the stock began to fall from $79. A large number of trading orders were concentrated in the morning session. Many investors tried to buy at the bottom on that day, but the stock price did not rebound immediately, and some large capital withdrew from the market from this position. However, we saw that in some subsequent trading days, the stock price tested the support position of $71.20 3 times, but did not fall below it, indicating that this price is a strong support position and the market does not want the stock price to fall further. On July 15th, the stock price fell to $71.20 at the last minute of the closing. The stock price rebounded strongly in the morning of the next day. The market generated some trading volume at this position. Although it was not particularly large, it can still be regarded as an important signal that big capital entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound. Let's go back to the daily chart of Nike stock. Although the recent trading volume of the stock has been gradually decreasing, the stock price has not fallen further, but maintained an upward trend. $71.20 is the lowest position of the stock in the near future. The stock price has rebounded strongly here, so I think the long capital in the market may continue to push the stock price up. But how much room for growth is there? The target price I see is $77.40. For the current price of the stock, there is still a certain potential profit space. Stock 2, Dynatrace. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock generated a lot of trading volume at the last minute of the closing on June 27th and 28th. But this does not seem to be a signal of big capital exiting the market. I think it is just the opposite. They may be entry funds. On July 19th, the stock price returned to this position again, indicating that there is big capital in the market that is maintaining the stock price. On July 10th, the stock price rebounded strongly after a deep and rapid drop to $42.30 in the morning trading, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further, and this price should be a strong support position. On July 18th, the stock price fell in the morning trading but was still far from $42.30, and then began to rebound strongly. The market generated some large trading volume at this position, indicating that big money entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound. The next day, the market continued to push the stock price up by more than 1%. Let's go back to the daily chart of Dynatrace stock. In the past 4 trading days, the trading volume of the stock has gradually increased. Is this a signal of big capital exiting the market or a signal of actively pushing the stock price up? I think it is the latter. The current trend of the stock is still in a small rebound stage. I think this rebound is to prepare for the stock price to a higher level later, so I am bullish on the stock. What is the target price? The target price I currently see is $46.90, which may be a key resistance position. Stock 3, Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. We can see that $101.80 is the current key support position for the stock. The stock price fell 3 times and tested this position but failed to break through, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further. On June 26th, when the stock price fell deeply and rapidly to $101.80, it rebounded strongly. This deep V bottom generated a large trading volume, indicating that a large amount of funds entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound, which is a strong bullish signal. On July 10th, the stock price rebounded strongly again after reaching the key support position. When the stock price was at a relatively low level on that day, the market still generated a large trading volume. This is also the action of large capital entering the market to take over the chips sold by the shorts. In the following trading days, the market strongly maintained the stock price. At the close of July 19th, the stock price was $106.50, which was already a clear upward trend. Let's go back to the daily chart of Dollar Tree stock. In the past 2 weeks, the stock's trading volume has gradually increased. Is it a signal of capital exiting the market or a signal of capital entering the market? I think it is the latter. The stock fluctuated violently below $109, but the stock price did not fall further. The current trend of the stock is in the rebound stage. I don't think the force driving the stock price rebound has exited the market. The target price I see is $113.70, and I think it may rush there soon. Stock 4. Zoom Video Communications. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. The stock generated a lot of trading volume at the last minute of the closing on June 27th and 28th, but this does not look like a signal of big capital exiting the market. I think it is just the opposite. It should be capital entering the market. In the next 2 weeks, we can see that the stock has created a V-shaped bottom. On July 10th, the stock price fell deeply to $55.70 and then rebounded strongly the next day. The large trading volume at the last minute of the closing of the day can be regarded as a signal of big funds entering the market. In the past 3 trading days, the stock price has not risen much. The stock price has encountered some resistance above $58, but the stock price has not fallen. The bullish force in the market is still maintaining the stock price. Let's go back to the daily chart of Zoom Video Communications stock. The stock's recent trading volume has been gradually declining, but the stock price has been steadily moving upward. Although the stock price has weakened in the past 3 days, I don't think the bulls who have driven the stock price up have exited the market. The current stock price at $58 has obviously encountered some previous selling of locked-in shares and selling of bottom profit-taking shares. But this does not mean that the stock's rise has ended. I think the stock price will break through the current resistance and continue to rise. The target price I see is $63.50. For the current price of the stock, there is still some potential profit space. Okay, guys, these are the stocks I think have potential gains. Market changes are dynamic. This video is for entertainment only. Please bear the trading risks at your own risk. If you have different ideas, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and click the subscribe button. See you in the next video.